Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are just joining us, please remember to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that whenever we upload videos, you will be notified. In today's video, I will be showing you how I treat cough and catarrh. The treatment for cough and catarrh for both children, adults, and this treatment is very effective, very affordable, very easy, and also it's also good for both pregnant women and lactating mothers. Yes, I used to be a regular buyer of cough and catarrh medicine, especially for my kids. But ever since I know of this particular treatment, I have stopped buying cough and catarrh medicine. For over 4 years now, this is the treatment I've been using. And what is this treatment all about? It's about shea butter. It's true, a lot of us know about shea butter, but shea butter is a very effective cough and catarrh treatment. And what I mean by treatment is it gives instant relief, as an instant relief of cough and catarrh. So I'll be showing how I use shea butter to cure cough and catarrh. Follow me, let's go.
So I'll need to scoop small quantity of shea butter. So you don't need to use much shea butter. So right now we need to melt the shea butter. So I'll be using hot water to melt it. So I will not allow the shea butter to have direct contact with heat like fire. No, if you do that, it will remove some nutrient from it. So I'm placing it on the hot water so that the vapor from the hot water will melt the shea butter. So this way the shea butter will not have direct contact with heat, then the nutrient is still safe, 100% safe, it's still there. So the shea butter I added was too much, so I have to reduce it later on. So here is it is almost melting, almost done. We only have few remaining that has not melted. After melting it, you are free to drink it. Shea butter is very edible. So after drinking it, then you rub little quantity of shea butter on both sides of the rib. So massaging it, after drinking it and massaging it gives instant relief of cough and catarrh. So you can do this morning and night. It's good for children, adults, lactative mother, and pregnant women.
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like this video, share it, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so that whenever we upload videos, you'll be notified. All right, thank you so much. Bye. See you in my next video.